I woke up. I suddenly saw a box. Cannot figure out what is this. I go closer and open it. And it's the Brustro 72 shades of color pencils. It comes with three sets. These are 4 thick lids for moving your colors smoothly, high pigmented and break resistant, which feels so premium. Soft wax based cores that can blend colors effortlessly. So I wanted to try it out. I grabbed paper and tested it out. Voila, it's turned out like this. And just like that, some blank page turned into a masterpiece with 72 shades and endless possibilities. Brush color pencil didn't just color the paper, it colored my imaginations. This isn't the end, it's just the beginning of more creations. Until next time, stay creative.